Jones. They want to get Tijuana established early. He goes back-to-back.
So two things that he can do so far, and it's very obvious. You can see the rula nga eh. Feeling ko yung 11 na yun, malungkot siya. But talk about someone who is just scorching hard in this game. Third three-pointer for Anton.
As Asistio, nagpakawala na naman. Bang!
Oh, nice pass. That has been a go-to play for the Lasso Painters. They're gonna post up.
Understandably, medyo pareho to sa role na tinatakbo niya sa Phoenix noon. But JV says that more adjustment is needed, especially since iba na ang dynamics. Sa Phoenix, siya yung one of the vets that had to look out for younger guys. But with NLEX,
Possessions. Slam dunking ito. Tignan natin. 2018 peso. Just go for a...
Pabaon. Sama naman ni Dato. Itong sinanokon. Dato will finish on the loop. Andiyan din si Lemeti, Santillan, and Belga.
And you can see the pace is becoming faster. This is what the Lasso
Ikaw may
Painters...
makashoot eh. Iyan na! Bisa Yui. Di tayo papahiya ni Berto.
Oh, beautiful pirouette pass or pirouette move.
As Jones pulls up, elbow jumper, good.
What we're seeing is this guy is a 3-level scorer. He can shoot the...
Dequan rises up for 4 again!
5 points of NLEX. Kay JV lahat yun.
Aaron Fuller diving down the middle to stop the bleeding para dito sa Rainer Shine.
Yeah, so
Jones against Chongson again. Three-pointer, good for Jones.
oh, this is what he has done so far. He has a total of 28 big points.
Three-point shooting ng Rainer Shine in the third. After that, 7 for 20 first half. Wallig with an end one.
Dito makikita kayo because he can knock those shots in.
Asistio continues to do damage, this time on the drive.
Import to import na.
15 in the game for Berto. Anton nagpakawala. Free ball, hinigo!
Napakaswerte nito Rainer Shine na mayroon silang unload Asistio sa laban na to. Dahil at the rate things are going offensively, ang ganda ng mga...
Now Fuller switches off. Slides si Marcelo. He gets away for the layup.
Oh, broken defensive alignment that time by the Road Warriors. They had 2 guys. Ngayon, makakatakbo na itong Rainer Shine.
Look at Fuller down the middle. What a pass again. This time from Mamuya.
Now, Mokan should understand that if there are 2 guys in front of him, itong import ng NLEX.
Belga to Clarito to open up the scoring dito sa ating final frame.
Now they're getting the rhythm. They're scoring off their half-court sets. The problem really was the
Rainer Shine. Bolik sa kabila. And one.
Papala. Ayan o, nahawakan niya yung cap niya. Masakit.
Control. Bolik. Forward pass to Enoch. That's assist number 8 para kay Berto.
Okay yun. Ganda nun. Bumabalik. And that forced the hand of Coach Shengyao to call the timeout because they're only up by 7 points. There's still a lot of time.
105-104. Babawi si Chongson. Bounces home.
Sobrang swerte nun.
Sinokom. Lilipad si Adrian. Niluwa pa rin. Clarito ties the game.
Oh, this is our game story. The game is tied at 110 points apiece. And what an offensive rebound by Jonard Clarito. But Coach Jong...
Hanging bodies with Chongson again. Jones steps into it. 49 points.
Back to the basket attack using that little fall away.
Docomo again. In attack mode. Pull-up jumper. Docomo delivers.
Lakas ng loob itong Sinoko. Hindi makapenetrate, pero he was just so...
Docomo Bebuelo. With some daylight. Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
And the offense is just revolving around Docomo, using his quickness on that ball screen. We've been saying that what type of defense are they going to employ, but it's just so slippery. Using his...
Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos yun na.